Colors are everywhere. They surround us in our daily lives, from the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed. Whether it's the bright blue sky, the green grass, or the red stop sign at the corner of the street, colors are an integral part of our world. We see them every day. They are in the clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the places we visit. Colors can influence our mood, our decisions, and even our actions without us realizing it. But did you know that colors can talk to us? They communicate messages and evoke emotions. For instance, red can signify passion or danger, while blue often represents calmness and trust. They can make us feel happy or sad. Bright colors like yellow and orange can uplift our spirits, while darker shades like gray and black might bring about a more somber mood. Colors can even make us want to buy something. Marketers use this to their advantage by choosing colors that can attract attention and influence purchasing decisions. This is why companies think carefully about the colors they use. They understand that the right color can make a brand more appealing and memorable. They want their colors to tell us the right story. A story that resonates with their target audience and conveys the right message. Think about your favorite brand. What comes to mind when you see its logo? Is it the color that stands out? What color is its logo? Chances are that color was chosen to make you feel a certain way about the brand. Chances are that color makes you feel good about that brand. It creates a connection and builds trust. This is the power of color in branding. It's a silent language that speaks volumes, influencing our perceptions and decisions every day. Each color has a personality, a unique way of influencing our emotions and perceptions. Colors are more than just visual stimuli. They evoke feelings and memories, shaping our experiences in subtle yet profound ways. Red is exciting and energetic. It grabs attention and stimulates the senses, often associated with passion, love, and even danger. In fast food restaurants, red can increase appetite and create a sense of urgency. Blue is calm and peaceful. It brings to mind the tranquility of the ocean and the sky. Blue is often used in environments where relaxation and trust are important, such as in healthcare and corporate settings. Yellow is happy and friendly. It is the color of sunshine and joy, often used to evoke feelings of warmth and cheerfulness. Yellow can stimulate mental activity, and is frequently used in spaces designed for learning and creativity. Companies choose colors that match their products and ideas. The right color can communicate a brand's message instantly, influencing consumer behavior and perception. For example, a fast food restaurant might use red and yellow to create a lively and appetizing atmosphere, while a bank might use blue to convey trust and stability. These colors make people feel hungry and excited, encouraging them to eat quickly and leave, making room for more customers. A bank might use blue because it makes people feel safe and secure, fostering a sense of trust and reliability in financial transactions. Understanding color psychology helps businesses connect with customers on a deeper level. By choosing the right colors, they can evoke specific emotions and reactions, ultimately enhancing the customer experience and building stronger brand loyalty. Red is a strong color. It grabs your attention. Red can make your heart beat faster. It's the color of love, passion, and excitement. Think about Coca-Cola. Their red logo is famous around the world. It makes people think of fun and happy times. Red can also be used to warn people of danger. This is why stop signs are red. Blue is the color of the ocean and the sky. It's a color that we see every day, whether we are looking up at the vast expanse of the sky or gazing out at the endless horizon of the ocean. This omnipresence of blue in nature has a profound effect on our psyche. It makes you feel calm and relaxed. The serene blue landscapes and tranquil waters are often associated with peace and tranquility. This is why many people choose to meditate near water bodies, where the blue surroundings help them achieve a state of calmness and relaxation. Blue is also the color of trust and security. When you see a blue padlock or a handshake with a blue overlay, it instills a sense of reliability and safety. This is why blue is often used in contexts where trust is paramount. Many big companies use blue in their logos. Think about Facebook. The blue color in their logo is not just a random choice. It's a strategic decision to make users feel connected and secure while using their platform. Their blue logo makes people feel connected. When you see the blue Facebook logo, it evokes a sense of community and trust, making users feel more comfortable sharing their personal information and connecting with others. Banks also use blue a lot. The financial sector relies heavily on the color blue to convey stability and trustworthiness. When you see a bank with blue signage, it gives you confidence that your money is in safe hands. They want people to feel that their money is safe. The blue elements in their branding and environment are designed to reassure customers that their financial assets are secure and well managed. Blue is a good choice for brands that want to appear reliable. Whether it's a corporate meeting room with blue accents or a professional team with blue branding, the color blue helps to create an image of dependability and professionalism.